and people to reach. So get after it. So you guys are living this right now as well. It's you're onward, but you're feeling it. So we've been similar.
Okay, we were talking about revival, and a lot of people have been using that word. And certainly at the memorial, it felt like a big revival in a lot of ways. What is a revival, though? Like, what can we look for to see the true fruit of an actual revival? Not just an emotional experience, but a real resurgence in true repentance and faith.
Yeah, so two words that I've been using, not interchangeably, but distinct: revival and renewal. So revival is to bring alive something that was dead. So that is your new believers, people getting saved, people coming to faith. They were absolutely agnostic, they were detached, they were indifferent, and then all of a sudden they come alive. There's a revival, something dead, now alive. Renewal is like when you renovate your house. The house isn't rebuilt, but you're renewed. We have both happening right now. The clear fruit of a revival is going to be genuine conversion, so real gospel preaching, not just, I want to get back to God, or I just want to be more conservative. Those things are fine. When people want to turn back to God, we need to define that. Or people want to be more conservative. I saw some folks posting and saying, I'm officially leaving the left. I'm going right. I'm done with this. And everyone's like, yeah, okay. Not fully the goal here. And Charlie and all you guys would say the same thing. Not the goal. The goal is heart transformation, turning to Christ, not merely conservatism. So revival is that which is dead coming alive, genuine fruit being love for the gospel, love for the Lord, and then faith exploding. We don't care what you say. We'll do it in love, but we're going to be bold. We don't care what happens to us. We care about life and one another, but ultimately our allegiance is to Christ. And what you have is this surge of church attendance, not because church saves you, but because people want to hear the truth. You get this surge in evangelism. We've got people in our church. I was with a group of men this morning. We have this large Bible study, and it got larger this week. We got dudes that are bringing their neighbors, guys that are coming out of the woodworks, people going, man, I've been thinking about this for a while. And then others saying,
praise God, I
don't know what happened to me, but I've been waking up every day saying, that Charlie Kirk guy was onto something. So I went down the rabbit trail and I realized I want to believe in Jesus Christ. So revival will result in that true fruit, and renewal will result in old school, or maybe we'll call them seasoned believers, and people who've been a little dry spiritually going, that's right, I forgot. This is what we need to be living for. What are we doing on cruise control? Let's go. And so both and. Does that make sense?
It does. And